do a little adjustment right here. We're just going to see how you're feeling. Just see. See how. Just gentle little adjustment. Just gentle. Right there. That's one. That's one right there. No more falling out of beds. That's not healthy for babies. Just like that. We'll get a few cranials in here. So we're working on the cranial bones to make sure that they are moving well. Moving like they need to be. So we have space for your little brain to grow. Space for your brain to be recorded. There we go. One right there. Can you help me? Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna rub your eyes first. Oh, we're almost done. Almost done. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. How's that feel? How's that feel? Does that feel good? Let's see what else you have. Let's see what else. Let's just see. There we go. Here. These adjustments we can do with these things right here. So we'll just take this like that. Does that tickle? Does that tickle right there? My little D5 is a ticklish spot, isn't it? There we go. We definitely want all three to be in the right place so you have good bowel movements for Mama. That's healthy. She appreciates it, I'm sure. Alright, let's check out those little hips. Let's see about those little hips. Yeah, let's just do a little push right there. Just like that. All better. Yeah. All better. And your little ankles are doing well. Yeah. All healthy and strong. All finished.